What not to wear for a lab day. Do not wear your hair down, because your hair might get burned. Do not wear tank tops, because your shoulders might get burned by chemicals. Do not wear shorts either, because your legs might get burned. And no open-toed shoes, in case chemicals spill on your legs. Here is proper lab attire. Hair is tied up. You have a long-sleeve shirt on to protect your arms, long pants to protect your legs, and closed-toed shoes to protect your feet. This way, you'll be safe.
You must be wearing goggles at all times during a lab to keep your eyes safe.
Good thing I was wearing my goggles.
This is what could happen if you don't wear your goggles.
Ow! My eyes! They're burning!
Here's what you do if you do get something in your eye. Turn on the eye wash and use for 15 minutes.
When working over an open flame, make sure you do not have your hair down or are wearing a scarf, or this may happen. If you do catch on fire, do the following. Stop, drop, and roll, and wait for someone to cover you with the fire blanket. This will put out the fire. Never pour a chemical near an open flame. This is what you should do instead.
Since this liquid is flammable, I need to move the flame. Now I can pour it. If you spill a chemical on yourself, make sure you notify Miss Paloma and go straight to the chemical shower.
I spilled on myself!
Miss Paloma! She needs to go to the chemical shower! Always, now stay in there for 15 minutes.
Make sure you're always wearing long pants in case of a chemical spill.
Oh my goodness! Good thing I was wearing my long pants.
Wipe up minor spills, report the spill, and be careful.
Oh no. Hey, Miss Paloma, I spilled. It was only a minor one, so I wiped it up. This is what not to do if you break something during a lab.
Oh no! I'm just gonna hide it. Here you go.
Ow! I think I cut something on my foot! Miss Paloma, I'm injured! I'm bleeding! This is what to do if you break something.
Oh no! Miss Paloma! I broke my equipment! Please help me clean up!
When preparing for a lab, only take what you need.
It says take 1, but I'm gonna take 3 instead. Haha.
Never add water to an acid.
I thought it'd be a good idea, but I think it formed an explosion. Never bring chemicals near your face or nose. Instead, waft the scent of the chemical like this. No sitting on the lab tables.
Never leave your lab station while doing an experiment. Anything can happen while you're away. Here's what you do if something does happen like this.
Oh no! A spill! Miss Paloma, we have a chemical spill. Can you please help us? No horseplay in the lab station.
Hey, Maggie!
Oh no, they spilled! Never take materials from a lab station.
I'm gonna take the funnel. This is why you don't eat at a lab station.
No, I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Miss Paloma, I think there was some chemical in her food. Help! Help!
Never concoct an experiment by yourself.
Ah!
Always ask for permission if you're changing an experiment.
Miss Paloma, can I add this red solution to my experiment?
Yes.
Whoa, that was cool and worked out great. What not to do when cleaning up from a lab?
I don't know what this is, but I'm going to pour it down the sink anyways.
This is what you should do while cleaning up from a lab.
Miss Paloma, where should I pour this unknown chemical?
Right here.
Okay.
Make sure to dispose of chemicals properly, even if they're unused. Never pour chemicals back into the stock bottle.
I never used this salt, but I think we should reuse it, so I'm going to pour it back into the stock. Okay, should I do it? Instead, properly dispose of them in the chemical disposal. Here's a quick summary of everything we learned. First, tell the teacher if you get injured.
Ow, I burnt my finger. Miss Paloma, can you help me?
Make sure you always handle your chemicals carefully.
I don't want to spill.
Read all directions carefully.
Kosher salt, 1 teaspoon.
And lastly, make sure you're always wearing your goggles.